Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my Salt Mountain Melts pre-order. This was the pre-order from April. I've been seeing a lot of other people posting their hauls or their boxes they've been getting in from the April pre-order. And so I wanted to share mine as well. And also, hopefully I can get this up in time, but on the 27th, I believe 5 p.m. Mountain Time, for 1 hour, that's how long the pre-order is open, for 1 hour, oh my gosh, sorry, open on the 27th for Salt Mountain. So if you're even remotely interested, that is the time you will want to be available, 5 p.m. Mountain Time on the 27th. It's pretty hard to get your hands on Salt Mountain Melts just because it's kind of like Teddy Bees. Like they only open maybe like 5-ish or 4-ish times each year. So this is actually my second purchase from Salt Mountain, and I'll probably plan to make one on the 27th as well during that pre-order. What I've kind of been doing, just because I am newer and I have a lot of wax anyway, I've just been sticking with the souffles because for me, all they offer is souffles and loaves. So for me, it's more cost effective to just do a souffle. If I end up loving it, oh well. If I can't repurchase it, whatever. Like I'm not trying to go out there and be like, I'll buy a loaf of everything in the hopes that I like it. Like I'm trying to be sane, So I'm going to share all the souffles that I picked up during the April pre-order. I was trying to be good and only get souffles. Also, I'm newer to summer scent, so I don't know what I like as much. So I just thought it was too much of a risk to get a loaf and something in the specific scents offered during the April pre-order. So let's dive in. I have them lined up in the order that they were poured because I'm a nerd. So once again, these are all from Salt Mountain Melts. The first one is Catching Rays, which is Bum Bum, Creamy Coconut, Banana, and Suntan Lotion. The labels are so cute always. I love like the actual wax, but the labels are like half of the excitement, just like how cute they are. So here is what this one looks like. And so like I said, these you can just easily pop out, chop into like 6, 8, 10 pieces, whatever. And it's perfect. This one, this is the one that I was really considering if I was going to get like one loaf. Because sometimes when I order, I'll do like souffles and I'll choose one that I think I'm going to get a loaf in. That's probably what I'll do this next time. This was the one I was considering getting the loaf in. And honestly, I could have probably. It's really good. But just like monetary constraints, I wasn't really in a position to be purchasing a loaf, so I just went with all souffles. It's really good though. I feel like I really get the banana and the coconut, but I feel like I do get a hint of that suntan lotion. I think the Bum Bum is kind of just eating all those scents and like really blending them together. This is an awesome blend. I really, really like it. Definitely summery, like I'll definitely want to do this in the summertime. This I can do personally coconut all year round. But there's like certain kinds of coconut for certain seasons, if that makes sense. This one with the other like suntan lotion and banana scents, I think I'd have to do this in the summer. It smells amazing. Also poured 517, so I probably okay to chop it up and melt it, I would think. The next one is Rainbow Punch, which is rainbow sherbet, cotton candy frosting, and Sprite. This one has me like a little bit questionable with the Sprite. This one got a little bit banged up. It looks like more of a square maybe than a circle, but oh gosh, you can hardly see it. It's so cute with its little sprinkles. Pieces are falling out. That happens. I really do get the rainbow sherbet and the Sprite. I think cotton candy frosting is hard to pick out when it's like mixed with things, just because it's just like a general like sweetness adding to scents. See if I can like get those crumbs back in the bag. I definitely though get the rainbow sherbet and the Sprite. I feel like the Sprite is adding a little bit of frostiness, but also bringing out like that zinginess that's usually in rainbow sherbet, like that hint of citrus that like cuts through the sweetness. Yeah, I think this one's gonna be good. Not like, I don't love it as much as I love the first one, but it's good. And that's kind of why I get souffles in these, just because I don't know really what they're gonna smell like. This one was poured $5.20. Okay, next we have Summer Linen, which is fresh cotton, white peach, lavender, and coconut. Here is the label. So cute with the shorts. I don't usually gravitate towards laundry type scents, but I thought with the other notes I would take the plunge. Worst case, I figured I could do them in my bedroom because I don't have anything I can do stuff in my laundry room. Otherwise, I probably would be more into laundry type scents. And to me, this one is definitely laundry forward. I feel like I get the peach. I don't know if that I get the lavender, or if I do, it's almost like a dryer sheet scented in lavender. You know how like dryer sheets have scents? It still smells laundry though, if that makes sense. It almost is kind of pulling a bit, like a small hint of floral to me. So, and I feel like the coconut's there, but in the background. So I'll have to do this one. Like I said, it'll probably be done in my bedroom, or maybe even like my master bath, just because of the laundry. I don't think I could do it in my open concept. It might be a little bit too much there. So this is one that I went out on a limb on getting, but the pour date was 5/28, so about a month ago. The next one is Blackberry Lemon Pound Cake, which is blackberries, lemons, and cake. Here is what this looks like. Once again, super cute labels. I absolutely love them. This one also got a little banged up. It's a little bit more of like a ovally shape, square, and circle at the same time. This one's actually really good. Lately, cherries and like blueberries have been a little bit too like sweet berry for me. This has blackberry. Also, I'm not like a major lemon fan. Blackberry has been okay for me. I feel like this one, the lemon and the blackberry are blended perfectly, but I get the same base note of cake that I get from the Salt Mountain blend of strawberry pound cake. I feel like I get that same bakery base note of the cake, which I really like. And I think that helps the blackberry and the lemon as well, and it just makes the scent beautiful. I mean, don't get me wrong. If someone came up and was like, you have to choose this or strawberry pound cake, I'm obviously choosing strawberry pound cake because I like that the best. But this is actually really good. It's almost like how it's like a lemon cupcake in a way. And I feel like the blackberry just gives it a little bit of something extra. It's not like cleaner lemon. It smells like lemon with a bakery. So almost like a lemon cupcake or something like that. This was poured on June 7th. The next one, I have some fuzzies stuck to it. The little box came with all those like packing peanuts, only like 10 or so, so they were kind of stuck to the bags. The second to last one is Bomb Pop, which is cherry slushy, blue raspberry slushy, and fizzy pop. And this one, once again, is so freaking cute. I figured this one would be awesome for the 4th of July, just because, like, what a fun, you know, like, 4th of July. Does this scream 4th of July or no? Hello. This one, definitely a little nervous on with the blue raspberry and the cherry, but it really does smell like a cherry slushy. I think the fizzy pop helps tone down the sweetness that would be the cherry and the blue raspberry. So I'm excited to do it. I think, like I said, I'll do it on the 4th of July or around like that weekend. I have some other like cherry type scents that I'm gonna do on the 4th of July as well, or around that weekend. I kind of just like planning them all for then, because I think they all are like red and blue and, you know, like blueberry, blue raspberry, cherry, just the colors. I think they're all going really well for the 4th of July. And so I guess I'll find out what I like and don't like. Because it might be like way too cherry heavy, but I think like this one with the blend of the fizzy pop, if I have other things with like fizzy pop, maybe I'll mix those in with the other cherries I have. We'll see. I'm going to try some stuff out. So this one was poured on June 9th. So most of these are probably pretty well cured. And the last one I have is Renegade, which I do believe that Amanda has poured this one in the past because there's a Facebook group post when Amanda was pouring and they said, oh my gosh, like they posted and was like, oh my gosh, why did you guys like not remind me, or like something about how good this scent was or something like that. So I'm assuming it has been offered in the past because other people were like, oh yes, I love it so much, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, the notes on this are maraschino cherry, Palo Santo, and sweet bakery dough. I think I ended up getting this one because there were so many people under the listing like, this is the best scent ever, because really reading those notes, I don't know, maybe because it has Palo Santo and I like Palo Santo, but I don't know, it just seems like a really like off option for me. But people were definitely raving about it. So this one's pretty simple, just has some gold flecks in it. And actually, it's pretty good. I was nervous when I got it in, and after like over maybe the last month, I've kind of realized like I don't love cherry. And of course this pre-order was in April, so like 3 months ago, 2 months ago, whatever, a long time ago, before I realized I was not a cherry fan. So I was kind of nervous when I saw this come in, like, oh crap. The first note is literally like maraschino cherry. I think the Palo Santo though, this is a beautiful blend. It's almost like and I hate comparing Palo Santo to men's cologne because it's not like a perfumey scent. It's almost like a cherry bakery scent with a hint of like a toasted marshmallow, campfire smoke, like that type of scent, but still like edible bakery. It's actually really, really good. I think the Palo Santo though just gives it some depth that cherry needs to have to not be so sweet. And then I think that bakery dough aspect helps bring everything a little bit more to the bakery side and not so like fruity. I'm really excited for that one. I'm curious to see like when I warm, is it all Palo Santo? Is it all cherry? Like, sorry, I bumped the camera. What exactly comes out, because you just never know, you know? So, and then lastly, this one was poured June 16th. And I think these shipped shortly after this. So this isn't quite 2 weeks yet. I like to let everything go at least 2 weeks just to give it a little bit of extra time. So maybe this one I'll let sit for a bit, but everything else is probably cured at this point. So I'm really excited. And like I said, June 27th, 5 p.m. Mountain Time. I do believe you could double check the Salt Mountain Instagram. I think they usually post on there. But I think the pre-order is only open for 1 hour. I think if things go fast, it might close sooner. So just be ready, be on your toes. Yeah, 5 p.m. Mountain Time, because I'm in Central and I think it's 6 p.m. Central. I need to double check my calendar, but I'm just letting you know there's some really good scents in this next pre-order, so definitely you're gonna want to check it out. So that is what I picked up from Salt Mountain. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.